Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to install and activate Microsoft Excel style theme inside your VS Code editor. So if you go to extensions, just type this Excel theme in the search bar and you will see this extension comes right here. It's a Microsoft Excel theme for VS Code developers. So if you need this theme, simply click the install button. So once you install this, these two themes will be there for you. Excel theme, this is a dark theme, this is a light theme. So if you prefer the light theme here, you can see it looks something like this, the syntax highlighting the all these things, and you can see your Excel files directly like this. I personally like the dark theme, so you can see now all this theme contains the features of Excel. This is your green color, which actually represents the Microsoft Excel green shade, and alongside you actually writing your code. So green highlighting everything. So if you like this theme, guys, you can simply activate this by activate this extension. It has two themes, either the dark theme and the light theme. You can toggle between which theme you like. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.